Alright, picture this. You're running a small business. Maybe it's your dream bakery, a family-run auto shop, or that tech startup you built from your living room. Some days it feels like you're on top of the world. And other days, well, the bills stack up, the opportunities slip by, and you just wish someone out there had your back. That's where YF Solutions Group comes in. I'm serious. These folks aren't just another faceless lender. They're a team obsessed with getting real funding into the hands of people like us. Entrepreneurs, hustlers, and risk-takers who need a leg up, not another rejection letter. Let me walk you through a story, one that might sound a lot like yours. Meet Janine. She owns a catering business that was booming, until her fridge died right before the holiday rush. The bank said, sorry, not enough credit history. But YF Solutions Group? They listened. They heard her story. And within days, Janine had the cash she needed. She didn't just save her business. She doubled her holiday bookings. See, that's the magic of YF Solutions Group. They look past the numbers and see the person, the dream, behind the application. Their team works with over 75 lending partners. That means if there's a way to fund your business, they'll find it. And trust me, it's not just about getting approved. It's about getting the right funding for your business. Maybe you need a merchant cash advance for quick cash flow, or equipment financing because your tools are as tired as you are. Or you're ready to expand and you need serious capital. YF Solutions Group walks you through every option. No jargon, no pressure, just honest advice. Plus, they actually care about your long-term success. Their advisors check in, answer your questions, and help you build the kind of foundation that keeps your business growing year after year. Now I know what you're thinking. Is it really that easy? I get it, I was skeptical too, but I've seen the stories. I've talked to the owners who went from barely scraping by to thriving, thanks to the right support at the right moment. So if you're staring down a new opportunity, or a new challenge, and you need funding you can really count on, check out YF Solutions Group. The form is quick, the team is real, and the results, well, they might just change your story. Ready to take your business to the next level? The first step is easier than you think.